Politricks watch. This is Sir. Now, this is an unusual video, right, but we're living in unusual times. Don't normally talk about these things. But, right, I'm going to tell you now, right, 5 things we may pick up, learn, or 5 takeaways from the earthquake, right, where, jerk up Iron Man. 5 takeaways. Whole heap of things, but I want to remember them 5. I want to talk to them about them 5. Right. Number 1 on the list. People love dibble and dabble in evil, wickedness, talk wicked, and all kind of things. But when Mother Nature flex our muscles, all of a sudden, right, they become so religious and woke-defied. See, because, as I look YouTuber, we get to interact with not just my family and friends and people me know, but the wider Iron Man, right across the diaspora, all kind of people link me. Whenever anything happen, people always reach out and, boy, look at YouTuber, this and that, boy. So I get to see, right, a whole heap of people, right, respond to something at once. And based on what I see, and even me a hear, right, when the earthquake strike, all people who say them bad and then tough and a business about nothing. When Mother Nature strike, them transform in a little mouse. You see, no matter how much gun you want, like how much people you want to kill, how much money you want to have, how much ends you want to run, and how much title you have, that means nothing in the face of Mother Nature. From the scholar, right, to the unemployed man on the corner who haven't worked in 35 years, was the same response. Fear, right, anxiety. Say people don't get religious for me. People who normally make them reason about certain things, man, who say them don't believe in certain things, and yeah, man, a ball out. Right. All kind of name of religious figures, they say they don't believe in her. So if you know any local mosque, church, or synagogue, look out for them. Right, get packed in the next 1 or 2 weeks. Then you know to go blow over and then people will go back to them always. But I never know so much religious people. Yeah. About Mother Nature better than the whole of them. And Mother Nature does yarn. The place shake. Yeah. Some stories me I hear about man find a bad man place, Notorious 87. Right. Arrested within kerosene. Every time that the bed, the kerosene reach under the bed before the man drag her out, and gone that thing, Notorious 87. Boy, Mother Nature. Yeah, the real Dan. Second thing on the list. Things where, takeaways. Iron Man is not ready for no form of serious natural disaster. Get all on the experts and put on the suit and talk nice and walk nice, all I'm not ready. Not ready at all. And of course, there's levels to natural disasters. There are natural disasters that are so powerful, for example, there are earthquakes that are just so powerful where you just can't prepare people. But that wasn't the one that strike by Iron Man yesterday. 5.6 on the Richter scale, them say 5 point something. Knockout, electricity, people internet now work, traffic to a standstill, everybody try to run goddamn yard, bedlam. People all start fighting at traffic, fist fight, man jump out a car in a fist fight, cause man want to get through, man don't want to let them through, people want to run goddamn yard. Like say if the earthquake a lit down every building, then yard now get lit down too. I guess people rather dead in the yard then, I don't know. But bedlam on the streets of Iron Man. 5.6 on the Richter scale. Mother Nature does a yarn. it can't get much worse. You better ask certain countries, man, how serious earthquake can get. Well, but I tell you, if I ask the people them who did they put oil and time they want they strike, but them can't tell you nothing. Which part them there? Remember Iron Man had a big one before, and we're due for your next one. That's part of the reason why I no found, let me say, a ball and all, right, want to go turn up at the local mosque and the local church, because deep down, you feel say Iron Man due for something. Because when they see the wickedness will go on, when they see Pitney short I get cut and Pitney have 10 months will I get burned up on them sitting there. And now the mind now say look like something will go on, you know. Too much wickedness on the land. So when I expect something, and that's why so much people are traumatized. Because when we say these earthquakes and them things are, you know, natural disasters. But enough Irish people feel say something due. Never see who bad. But based on what me see, the response, Iron Man not ready for the natural disaster. Just one more level on the Richter scale, and there will be apocalypse in the Iron Man. Total chaos and breakdown of society. Not ready at all. I may say, serious, like full scale, top of the level natural disasters, the body not ready for it. But there are things you can do to help mitigate risk, reduce damage, etc. Certain processes in place. It's like a fire can burn on a whole house, but there are things you can do to increase the chance that people in the house surviving. You can put in like your water sprinklers, you have your fire alarms, you have your fire escape. These things are set up to help increase the chance of survival. Or even saving the building or saving something. But whatever process we have in place, based on what take place, I know people go on 5.6, not ready at all. Number 3, it's a big takeaway. But they already know this, but this became even more evident when Mother Nature yawned. The Jamaican construction industry is about to be exposed like we've never seen before. That earthquake shouldn't do so much damage them on me. So I tell the people, I send me videos, I talk about, you know, PIA, pay transport. People that send me videos of them own a house. Can't repost them because it's a private thing that people say, just look on this, look on my gate that I just build, look on my wall that I just build, look on the roof that I just put on. Some of the people in the construction industry, someone have to just get called 87 to call a criminal, straight up criminal. Especially when time them realize that the people them work for don't understand construction, and give the people them some work. Well, it might stay up for a little while, but you see a little, you know what, I expose it, hurricane and them kind of earthquake, 5.6. Now 5.6 and a 4 point nothing, you're supposed to do some damage, I see. Me have to ask people, then you never buy this and buy that, look, you should me give them the money for buy everything. But them realize that the people them not understand. So enough of them building there, enough of the quote unquote construction, about to be exposed. If you not build anything, if you don't understand construction work, find somebody you know who, right, close to you rate them rate you, right, and make them guide you through the process. Cause enough time when I try to keep secret from people, no one about no one gonna, so I'm gonna go link a little man and do understand construction and make man come do some things now in the yard, make some people put some work and give you know. And it will cost you know, I want to pick them, I want to family, them life. Especially single females, young single females who start building them little thing and them really, you know, through the man and go to see the woman and the man in their yard. Well, at them time them start taking people food. Construction industry, no found about to be exposed. Straight up criminal. Some of them right there when I see. People are sending me. I mean, some of the video them already gone around about the place. I say this is a blast. I post some of them. But we have to understand something. So yes, earthquake can lick down building. We know that. That's obvious. But when the building get lit down, you can get an idea of how it was made. And that's when you can see it was poorly made. And those two people now and they almost go viral. And everybody sitting in the yard, who knows see somebody beat them. Some of them construction man there. Some of them workman there. Some of them are basically 87s at this point. Straight up criminals. When them are going to say, what you want me to do this? I gotta lick it down. Aye. Number 4 takeaway, and this one is big for me. I've been saying this for a long time. All I know, you don't need self-defense, call the police people. Yesterday in Ironman was a taster of what bedlam looks like, what chaos looks like, what apocalypse looks like. Self-defense is key. In a chaotic scenario, police can help you. When infrastructure, when the light gone, right? When digital and flow go down, when nobody can make the call, when they can't reach you, guess what happen now? When the traffic block up the road, police can't get you. Everything comes to a standstill. You know what criminals are going to realize? People are sitting ducks. And you think you can call the police and the king alarm and the archive become savior? Remember unicorn to tell you. Just like what you see in them apocalyptic scenario movies, that's exactly how it works in our real life. When criminals realize the society is brought to a standstill and even the fire truck can't left the fire station, the police jeep can't left the police station, gas station run out of gas, we can see how call the police help. I tell them already, I'm pro self-defense. I'm not dying on my knees, right, begging for no mercy. But as I say, when you can't run, go give up. Right, phone the license for your arm and call police. Right. I hope it work out for you. Every man need to have at least, at the bare minimum, a well-sharpened lass close to him door or somewhere him can easily reach it and be prepared to fight to the death. I know you're thinking, oh see that, oh my god, the exaggeration, fight to the death, you think so I want to show this? Yeah, go see. Mother Nature yawn. 5.6. That ain't not nothing. See on the town fool yesterday? Man all convert 3 religions in one day. Wake up 9 morning Muslim, by lunchtime into a Christian, by evening into a Jew, to afraid, desperate for help. Where can I seek refuge? 5.6, 5 point something. And yarn Mother Nature, yeah. Bad people and afraid for dead do. Number 5. This one is big. The information systems, the emergency response systems in Ironman is simply not good enough. It's been over 60 years now, and we need to start getting it together. Ironman is in a hurricane-prone region. Ironman is also prone to earthquakes and everything. It's just not good enough. Information in a time like that is key. It's too slow. So people now start turning to anybody they can get anything from. And yeah, you know, say I got the trolls, them I got to start say, you know, say, the wall, Spanish town, those building, those collapse and everybody dead, and I got some. Because there's always be trolls taking advantage, of chaos. The officials, them, the so-called experts, them need to give updates, instantly. By the time the building don't shake, them up and live. Alerts are go out on everybody's phone. You see me on the send phone and harass people and bother them. If you buy a little food product them, and the same way, information will go out instantly. People of Jamaica, that was an earthquake. Just so you know, there might be aftershocks, so do this. In case you don't remember, because you left school long time, the best place to be when an earthquake strike. Go on there, so go through, so go here. These are things you're supposed to go out instantly. instantly as it happen. There must be a system, there must be a button where them press with all of the post-earthquake messages where the public must hear, where them send out to every single phone, the same amount they send out no full annoying advertisements. When nobody not asks for. There must be a budget for that. And within half an hour, there must be a press conference up and live. You don't need to go stand up on a special place. They have somewhere where they can run. Then they need JPS, right? So they can have a generator, some kind of renewable energy source, wind, solar, unicorn, dust, whatever. Them information people must not be relying on conventional systems. That means that them can stay up right through the day and give information right through the day. If them have internet, they must have Digicel, backup by Flow, backup by Starlink. They must never be offline. Communication is key. Not ready yet. Mother Nature yarn. But you know something bigger coming. Deep down you know that sound shooketh so much. After the place shooketh. Let me say, for people who are so bad and love so much evil and death and destruction. What do you see? What the real Dan can do? When you turn fool. You think you Dan the Zeeks and the others can help you in a earthquake? You think Skeng Dan and Black Man can help you? When you see the real Dan shake up the place. I want to transform in a picnic. Hope everybody alright still. Everybody safe. You said there was no real casualties or anything like that, but plus, property damage, property can fix back and buy back. That not cost life. But when the big one come, what is me say when the big one come, just remember say me telling enough of them things. Anyway, Patient Squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, I don't know, more life. Ultra Squad, see you circling. Bless.